Akshara Windows, UPVC Windows and Door Systems. Within a 10,000 square feet factory in Chennai, India, armed with the best and most advanced German technology, including automated feeding of raw material, on-site extrusion of UPVC profiles, accurate temperature controls, water cooling systems to prevent plastic warpage, air drying to remove residual moisture, and strict quality control protocols to ensure that every profile made is perfect before it is packed for fabrication. The profile is then cut into different sizes according to customer requirements, drilling holes for fixtures, adding range slits and screw holes, making V-profile cuts for openable windows, contact welding and sealing for strength and durability, high-precision CNC machine cleaning and polishing, adding glass and inner beading, and finally attaching quality fixtures, giving you the perfect range of UPVC windows and door systems for your living spaces. Our windows enhance the elevation of your building and provide soundproofing, thermal insulation and anti-rust properties. Optimized for Indian weather, 10-year warranty and 100% made in India. Akshara Windows, built for life.